Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about 5 UGC scholarship programs for the students. So before starting this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more scholarship updates. So let's begin. Here's the list of top 5 UGC scholarship programs for the students applying. The meritorious and underprivileged students who are pursuing university or college level education can avail benefits under these scholarships. And don't forget to press the like button because which motivates me to make more videos about scholarships. Okay, and now UGC or University Grant Commission is a reputed statutory body of the Ministry of Education, formerly known as MHRD, Government of India. It is responsible for determining, coordinating and maintaining the standards of higher education in India. It also offers a number of scholarships to support the higher education of students nationwide. The meritorious and underprivileged students who are pursuing university or college level education can avail benefits under these scholarships. So, list of the top 5 scholarship programs for the students. First, Ishan Uday Special Scholarship Scheme for NER. NER means Northeastern Region. So, this scholarship aims to promote higher education in the Northeastern region in India and increase the gross enrollment ratio. Under this scholarship, the students of Northeastern region who have passed class 12 or equivalent can avail variable financial assistance. They are required to have a secured admission in the first year of general, professional, technical, medical, paramedical course at a recognized college, institute, university. The annual income of the family must be less than Rs 4.5 lakh from all the sources. Number of scholarships 10,000. Eligibility is class 12 pass student of Northeastern region. Awards up to Rs 7,800 per month. Application timeline between August and November. Okay, and application mode is only online through NSP portal. So next, number second is PG Indira Gandhi Scholarship for Single Girl Child. The name itself says single girl child. As the name suggests, this scholarship is meant to support girl education and compensate for the direct cost involved in their education. Girl students who happen to be the only girl child in their family and are below 30 years of age can avail benefits under this scheme. They must have taken admission in the first year of regular full-time master's degree course at any designated university or postgraduate college. Number of scholarships 3,000. Eligibility single girl child up to 30 years of age. Award 36,200 per annum for the 2 years. Application timeline between August and November. Application mode is online through National Scholarship Portal, that is NSP. So number third is PG Metric Scholarship for University rank holders. The key objective of this scholarship is to encourage talented boys and girls to pursue postgraduate level education and assist them in their expenses. Under this scholarship, the first and second rank holders of graduation courses who are pursuing postgraduate courses can avail beneficial financial benefits. So they are required to have obtained at least 60% marks in the graduation. The age of the candidate must be below 30 years. Also, they must have completed their graduation in stream like physics science, life science, chemical science, mathematics science and earth science, social science, commerce or languages. Number of scholarships are 3,000. Eligibility university rank holders first and second at UG level and pursuing PG. Award rate 3,100 per month for 2 years. Application timeline is between August and November. Application mode is apply online through the National Scholarship Portal. Okay. Next, number 4 is PG Scholarship Scheme for SC/ST students for professional courses. Aim to support the postgraduate studies of students in the professional subjects. This scholarship is particularly meant for the students belong to the SC/ST category. The students are required to be studying in the first year of professional courses at the postgraduate level during the current academic year. They must be studying in one of the recognized universities, colleges or institutes. Number of scholarships is 1,000. Eligibility is SC/ST student studying in the first year of professional courses at PG level. And the award is scholarship up to raise 7,800 per month and continually up to the raise 15,000 per annum. And then application timeline is between August and the November. Application mode is apply online through the National Scholarship Portal. And the number 5 is Dr. D.S. Kothari Postdoctoral Fellowship Scheme. And the fellowship aims to support the full-time research work of young researchers up to 35 years of age who have either received their PhD degree or submitted their PhD thesis under the science faculty. It is also open for young teachers below 35 years of age who are working on confirmed posts in the academic institutes. Furthermore, the candidates who have already applied for the fellowship but were unsuccessful can also apply. Number of fellowships are 300. Eligibility is PhD degree holders up to 35 years of age, and awards is fellowship up to raise 54,000 per month, and contingency grants of raise 1 lakh per annum. Application timeline is round the year. Okay. Application mode is apply online through the official application page of DSK PDF, Dr. DS Kottara Postdoctoral Fellowship. Okay. So this much, guys. If you have any doubt regarding these scholarships, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to solve it. Finally, thanks for watching, guys.